guys, this video is about half a year late, but better late than never, right? Anyways, this is what my room was like for my second year at Davis. It's kind of really small, but it's pretty cozy. So here's the general area. And this is my closet area. It's really small, so I kind of just stuffed everything in there. All the things I didn't really want displayed in my room, I guess. So yeah, it's just really messy. And this is my desk area. It's really bright and I love that about it. So in these drawers are just random knickknacks that I don't need or that are like kind of similar, so I just put them together. Also kind of very messy. And then I have like these two boxes I didn't really know what to do with, but anyways, in these two storage boxes are notebooks and then my random tech items. And then this is my outfit of the day. I have my backpack hung up on my door. So I have makeup brushes over there in that corner. And this box is full of whiteout, which I happen to have a lot of. And then I have two acrylic cases from Muji, and this one carries makeup. And then this one has stationery. This is all my sticky notes and my sticky book tabs. This one has a bunch of notebooks and more tabs. This one has stickers. And then these are the ones I've made, like the first stickers I've ever made, and I'm quite proud of them. And this is more stickers and some calligraphy pens, and this is washi tape. Hi guys, just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you guys have any questions or just